Supreme Court slams the CAQM for casual approach to Delhi NCR air pollution, calling for urgent corrective action. Top courts direct CAQM to hold expert consultations and submit a comprehensive report on causes and long-term solutions. Sonia Gandhi has been admitted to Delhi's SIR Gangaram Hospital with respiratory discomfort. Doctors say her condition is stable. Asthma exacerbated by cold weather and pollution, it appears. India unveils new projects on Chenab River. Aquar hydroelectric project, 540 megawatts, highlighted in images after Indus Water Treaty, put on hold now following Pahalgam attack. Degrading AI generated images of women and children continue on X despite suspension pledge. Indian government now gives the X platform 72-hour notice to respond, yet the platform has not got back. Claims emerge of Jamaat-e-Islami collecting jizya from Hindus, minorities in Bangladesh. Allegations surface amid US backing of Dhaka regime, raising fears of Islamist ascendancy. Siddaramaiah has equalled Devraj Aras's record as Karnataka's longest-serving chief minister. He expressed confidence about completing his full 5-year term. "35 dead in Iran protests. Over 1,200 detained in Iran amid protests escalating there. People target Revolutionary Guards and the Basij in historic demonstration that's now broken out in Iran due to economic crisis and a lot more." Denmark, European Union allies reject Trump's Greenland push. Leaders say Arctic security must be collective, insist Greenland's future ties with Denmark and its people. Trump administration expands visa bond requirement, adds 7 more countries to that list. Applicants from 13 nations now face up to $15,000 of bonds if they want to get a visa to United States, and that will also not assure a visa. This is an entry fee, and then they will check on the credentials. Thankfully, India not on that list.